Abu Dhabi is making its boldest move in decades. They're spending 16.4 billion US dollars to reshape the financial future of the region. And what Aldar and Mubadala just did, not another project. They opened the doors for institutional investors, and early adopters will win. Hi everyone, and today I want to discuss with you the very important topic which happened in Abu Dhabi. Basically, just yesterday it was announced on Aldar's website. So basically, Mubadala, this is the wealth fund of Abu Dhabi. They have in assets 330 billion US dollars. And now they announced that together with Aldar, they invest in 16.4 billion US dollars into extension of Maryah Island. And in this investment is very interesting because this is the last undeveloped part of the island. And in this plan, what we have? We have in total 1.5 million square meters of new development, which includes 450,000 square meters of grade A offices. Actually, it means that we doubling the financial district. We have over 3,000 luxury waterfront residences. We're going to have a new world-class marina, 40,000 square meters of experiential luxury retail, redesigned waterfront with a 75 meters fountain show, something similar as we have close to Burj Khalifa, and also new bridges which are connecting Maryah Island and mainland. And basically this is how global financial centers are creating and how they are building by doubling infrastructure, doubling office supply, and attracting the world's best companies and talents. But why this matters? Actually, ADGM, this is one of the fastest growing financial hubs in the world right now. We have over 13,000 companies registered now in ADGM, over 40,000 people which are working for these financial companies, and vacancy rate of the offices in the area is so low that's not enough. I've been checking the Property Finder and other platforms a few days ago. If you put offices in Abu Dhabi, we have around 40 properties. Like it's nothing. So basically it means that all this expansion, this is not a gamble. This is an answer, structural answer to the demand, like physical demand. And we gonna have more international firms which are relocating to Abu Dhabi. We have more high net income professionals which are moving to the city. We have more demand for luxury housing, more pressure on rental prices, more long-term investors. And this is a not short hype, this is a structured long cycle growth. Also, I would love to mention that a couple weeks ago we had a successful launch of Imkan, project named Soundstone. We took units with a full sea view, high floor for 18 to 1900 dirham per square foot. There's absolutely gorgeous prices because from the balconies you're gonna see the whole Sadiyat with the museums, the sea view, like from each bedroom. It's like amazing project, very love it. And also we can see now that investors are getting more aggressive with the projects in IREM area and ADGM area. We already accepted 10 plus EOIs for Radiant floor because the Radiant now decided that they are selling not directly like unit by unit, they selling it by floors. So if you want to take a unit there, you need to take the whole floor. So we had already 10 plus EOIs for this project. Also, one development, they coming with a new project soon. As rumors, we heard about Object One, about Ellington and other developers. Also, prices for the land is becoming higher, and it means practically that new launches in 6 to 12 months are going to be higher than we can see now. But simultaneously, Aldar and Mubadala has one more big announcement. They are launching Aldar Capital. What is Aldar Capital? This is a platform which is going to be headquartered in ADGM, and the purpose of this platform is to bring global investors like sovereign funds, family offices, pension funds to the UAE, and they want to offer them real estate and infrastructure opportunities and the whole GCC. So GCC basically is Gulf Cooperation Council, the regional alliance of Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia and the UAE. The first fund is launching in 2026 and the target they have is investing $1 billion US. This absolutely changes the game, because till this day most of the investors in the UAE was like private investors, private individuals, and once institutional capital will arrive to the country, the market will become absolutely different story. We're gonna have more liquidity, more stability, it's gonna be more global and more competitive. So Aldar essentially evolving from a development company into the manager of global capital. It's going to be an asset management company, like something as a Blackstone but of the Middle East. But what does it mean for the region? Basically, these two announcements are connected, because first creates a physical financial district and the second one creates a capital engine which gonna fit it. So it means that we will take money from family offices, pension funds, etc. and bring it here in ADGM. So these two announcements connected means that ADGM will become one of the top global financial centers, and Abu Dhabi property will enter a multi-year growth cycle. Demand for grade A offices, luxury residential units will rise sharply, and land and early stage projects around the financial district will appreciate first. Future launches on Maryah, Reem and Sadiyat will be sold instantly, because we already seen it in the previous projects, and this is exactly what happened in the Singapore and Hong Kong when they started and seen these waves of development. And what investors should do now? Several new launches is coming to ADGM in the next couple weeks, so it's the best time to prepare now. Basically, if you want to have a property in the growing financial district, if you want to have a certain developer which has a good track record and good properties, you can message me and we will discuss the best opportunities in the area, because what's happening now won't continue for a long period of time, because this is a historic moment for the UAE. I think this is a thing which will bring us to the moment where Abu Dhabi will become same like financial strong city as we have Singapore and Hong Kong in the world. So in meantime, the Abu Dhabi will take that place, and those who will understand it before others will benefit from it. At the end, I just want to say thank you for the support, for the comments, for the like and subscriptions, because it was a surprise for me that I have so many inquiries from this basically new channel, and I appreciate your trust and support. Thank you for watching. If you need something from my side, link to my personal WhatsApp number is in the description. You just click it and we can discuss your investment strategy in UAE. Thank you once again, and I wish you a wonderful day.